Hey everybody, it's me, Margaret, and how would you like to have only one starting method for any crochet project? For example, something like this in the round. You see how I've got an adjustable ring right here where I can make it smaller and close up that center if I want to. This expandable ring right here was not done with the traditional magic circle. This was done my way, and I'm calling this the simple start because you start every project with this method, whether you're crocheting flat or whether you're crocheting in the round. Let me show you. So here's how I do it. I'll start with about 6 inches of yarn, of tail, I guess that would be, and then I'll lay it across my crochet hook like that. And then just wrap it around the working yarn and hold it in place with my working hand, like that, and chain 2. 1 and 2. Now, if you're working a flat project, a scarf or something, you might just keep on chaining. This is exactly as if you were to have done a slip knot. And as a matter of fact, it doesn't look that different from a slip knot. I just happen to have that version right here that I did ahead of time. Can you see the difference? Very little difference, as a matter of fact. So what if you wanted to do a round project like a hat or amigurumi or something? You do it the same way. You start with your 6-inch tail or whatever you're comfortable with, lay it on top of that hook, wrap it around the working yarn and hold it in place with your hook hand. Chain 2. 1 and 2. Now this time what you'll do is follow the instructions. If it says 10 single crochet in the loop, you're going to use that first chain right there as your loop. So you'll insert into there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. That's your first single crochet. Then do your second, just as you would for anything else, because essentially this is a magic circle. It's expanding. You can see as I'm working, just as your typical magic circle is. It's just so much easier to remember how to do it. See how it's expanding? And if it's bothering you and you're not finished yet, go ahead and pull it in. You can do whatever you want to. And you'll want to join to the first single crochet as you would anytime you're doing a little starting circle like this. And see, there's still a little hole there. So just pull tight and it closes up all the way. So there you go, a very simple version of an adjustable magic loop.